What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about makeup products that are under the price tag of 200 rupees that are amazing. So these are some of really drugstore hidden gems. Literally nobody talks about them, I think so. And maybe some but these are not like popular drugstore makeup. So if you want to know what are my top favorite makeup products under the price tag of 200 rupees, keep on watching. Before getting ahead into the video, if you are watching my videos for the very first time, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. I do a lot of drugstore recommendation. My content is usually around really affordable makeup but good quality makeup. So I do sometimes haul, a lot of time review. I am also a project planner. I do shop my stash. So yeah, you will find a lot of empties also in this channel. So if anything of that sort interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with friends and family. Now without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to quickly just talk about a makeup that are under the price tag of 200 rupees, which is very good quality makeup. So I'm not going into any particular order. These are the just my favorite makeup that are under the price tag of 200 rupees. So the very first product which because of which I thought of creating this video was this one. So this is a blush palette, and I saw some beauty blogger short videos like makeup under 200, and then another beauty blogger, then another beauty blogger. So basically 2-3 peoples I have seen. So it's not very underrated, but it's not something which everybody is using. So this is the blush palette, and literally a blush palette, and this is any lady. So 100% very sweet orange, so it's very cute, and you can see it is so adorable. It's a very cute palette. I love it, and it's very good. These are matte blushes, so I love them. And these are pink, and then pinky nude, peaches, orangey nude, and I think it's a very good warm tone blush palette. You get 4 blushes for 180 rupees, and amazing. These are very good quality blushes, and I love them. They are very pigmented, and not too pigmented, but these are good pigmented, so you can use them as eyeshadow also. Love this is so inexpensive and good quality. It just blows my mind, and it's a very good quality product. I have used this, and that's why I have not used this recently, because in winter I want something mauvey or something pinky or something nude on that side. Peaches I use in summer, so that's why I'm not using it right now, but this is very good. I'm a huge fan of this palette. It's so inexpensive, but it's really good. Okay, next is this iTaz Dazzler contour stick. And first of all, iTaz, it's not supremely popular drugstore brand, but it should be, because they are making shades for deeper complexion. I think it should be the most popular drugstore brand, because they are making such good rich shades. And this is amazing. It's very pigmented. You can see one swipe pigmentation, perfect bronzer, and this is the shade FS2. They have so many deeper shades, so you can buy a cool tone one and a warm tone. This is on the warm tone side, so they have a contour, proper contour. The shade name is contour. It's a very pretty contour. This FS2 is on the warmer side. I just love it. So blendable. You can just swipe it around and just blend it on. It's so good. And someone like me, I always use a cream product, then a liquid cream product, then a powder product. In cheek category, I just love the effect it gives. It's very long lasting, and it stays all day. So I just use this and my Nika bronzer. I just love the combination. It's very good. So I'm a huge fan of this stick. It's very good. It's very inexpensive. 175 rupees when I bought it, so it's so inexpensive. So these are foundation stick, but I think these are beautiful bronzers and contour. If you are around my skin tone, if you are a deeper complexion person, you can definitely find your good quality drugstore foundations. So yeah, they have so many foundations. So check Dazzler out. They have so many shades. I love them. So okay, so I was never a eyeshadow pencil person, but these are amazing makeup. NY Bay is one of my favorite affordable makeup brands. They are so inexpensive and so good. So yeah, this retails for 185 rupees. This is the NY Bay pencil, and this is their eyeshadow pencil, and it is a very tiny. But tell me how many times you will use a lilac crayon. Okay, and especially drugstore which is making trendy products is NY Bay. It's sometimes difficult for me, who constantly buy new makeup, to review all the NY Bay new launches, but I love their new launches. So this is the NY Bay eyeshadow stick. Love it. Tell me, have you seen a so pretty lilac kajal pencil that is so creamy and it is so pigmented? Look at it. amazing. One soil pigmentation. I have done a short video, you can check out, and the look I have created is a cut crease lilac cut crease look. It's so cute. And wow, have you seen other drugstore brands making such good lilac kajal or a crayon pencil? Oh my god, I have never seen, and I'm so impressed by the quality. So blendable, you can just swipe it and just use your fingers to blend it. It's so good. And it's just 185 rupees. It's mind boggling. It's very difficult to believe that this is 185 rupees, trust me, because of the rare shade and the formula. I was never a crayon eyeshadow person. I love my powder eyeshadows, but this has changed my opinion. So very, very good. I'm a huge fan of this shade. Wow, it's a dream. It's a dream for someone who love lilac. So that I'm highly recommend you, especially this crayon. Okay, next is again a NY product. So this is their primer, and wow, it's very unique, very unique. And this is a primer. This is a silicone based primer, but it has small shimmers. It's not chunky shimmers, very fine shimmers, and it's a gel based primer, so it's very difficult, especially with this camera that I have to show you. But as you can see, I hope you can see, it is a pore filling primer with a slight sheen to it, and this is so smooth. Like, can you guys see my fingers is gliding like so easily. So I am a huge fan of this primer. I love pore filling primers in summer, so I'm not using it right now, but it is a very unique primer. You have to see it in person to feel it. It's very difficult to just show such primers, especially the silicone ones. And I have tried silicone based primer, but this one is different because it has slight sheen to it, and it's very unique, and I love it. I like it's very smoothing, very smoothing. So I love the concept. I love it. Okay, so another NY. Oh my god, I think I should make a separate video about NY makeup, which is so good. Every makeup of by NY I like. So yeah, this is their setting spray. First of all, this is so cute. This is so tiny. It is adorable, and it is just 199 rupees, and it's 30 ml, so you can say it's not that kifaiti. I agree, but if you are a person who use makeup rarely, this will be your jam. You can just spritz it, especially if you have dry skin. So it, I think, has hyaluronic acid. It's something. Do we finish one? There is a matte variation also. I just love it. The mist is so fine, and it is very good. I love it. I am almost here. Like, I have used this. It's a very new product in my stash. I have used this till here. I really like it. As someone who just uses makeup fixer to just match all the powderiness and all that, I really like it. It's on the fragrance side, so it has heavy fragrance. So just giving a heads up if you don't like fragrance. One is this Insight Duo. I was just checking for the price. I hope because I bought this with the primer, and yeah, it was a steal deal in the combo. So I was checking the individual price. So this retails for 190 rupees. Oh my god, how this retails for 190 rupees. It's so good. So this is their duo stick, and it's like Maybelline used to have these duo stick. So one side is a beautiful contour. See, it's very cool tone. I love this, so creamy. And this side is the highlighter side, and highlighter is bombdegree.com. So yeah, it's very creamy, very blendable and pigmented. Love this. And it just blows my mind how these drugstore make such good quality products at such amazing price. This is very good, and you get two products for 190 rupees. And when I bought this and the primer in the combination of 240 rupees. So this literally cost me 120 rupees, and I'm getting a highlighter and a contour, which is mind boggling. Literally very good quality product. Does not feels like an affordable contour and highlighter. The highlighter is very blinding. The contour is a perfect contour, and it's just amazing that it is so inexpensive. So yeah. Okay, next is this iTex Dazzler lipstick, and Dazzler is very amazing. Like, in terms of makeup, they are amazing. Such a good quality makeup at such an inexpensive price. So this is the Dazzler liquid lipstick. This shade is very pretty, very pretty. It's a very pretty pinky brownie nude, and it's very I love the shade. And this is the shade Autumn Spice, and look at it. It's very pretty, and it's a nude that will not wash you out, and you can use this without makeup. It will look stunning. See, it's very pretty nude, and it's a very pinky brownie nude. Sometimes these ring light pull everything warmer, and yeah, this is a very pretty shade, and the formula is very good. It's very it's a liquid lipstick which is not at all drying. It's not at all drying. It's very good quality liquid lipstick, and it's very good quality liquid lipstick, I must say. And it smells very pretty, but the smell does not stay. This smells sweet, and but the smell is not bad, or something which will annoy you, and the smell will go once it will dry. It has a very sweet, not in a bad way. It's a very good smell. Okay, next is again NY Bay. You guys must be tired by now, but it's the last. Okay, so last for this video, I have their blushes, which can beat any high-end blushes, and they are like slightly above 200. Okay, so this is their lipstick, and this is their liquid lipstick, a hydrating liquid lipstick. And this shade, look at the shade. When I saw this shade, I was like, Whitney Hydrate. That's the name which came instantly into my mind, because she loves such shades, like bright red shade. And this will without makeup, just use this shade. This will brighten up your face like crazy, and I will definitely wear this shade in summer. Look at this red. It is a very lightweight liquid lipstick, and it's not drying, and I have to try this in summer. Look at the shade. It's very pretty. It's a vibrant red, but it is very pretty. See, this is the true shade, and oh my god, it's look pretty. I don't like usually orangey red. It's a bright red, and it's not that orange, trust me. From this angle, I hope it's a very pretty red. It's the first red which is on a brighter side, and I'm liking it. I don't like orangey reds, but this is a bright red which is not that orange. I hope I'm making any sense. So yeah, I'm bad at explaining shades. It's a very pretty red. That's it. I like it. So yeah, okay. The last, I hope this is the last. So this is the last product. Let's just keep other products for maybe products under 250. I will do that also. So this is the NY Bay, literally again an NY Bay product. So this is their concealer. They have now a new concealer as well. I have yet to try, and Insight also launched a liquid concealer which is brand new, and I'm like, I have so many concealer to use up before I am going to buy, because this channel is not about just buying makeup. This channel is also about using up makeup. Okay, so I'm like waiting. Once I will run out of my some concealer, I will give the NY Bay new concealer also a shot. Meanwhile, this is their old liquid concealer. Oh my god, I love it. So this is, which shade? Their shade names are too big: dark, white, chocolate, drizzle. I don't know why they give such weird name, but the quality of concealer is amazing. They have this doe foot, which is see, it's this kind of doe foot. I like it. It's a very interesting doe foot, and the lipstick also has the same doe foot. I think, yeah, they have used the same doe foot, and this is the shade. It's a very brightening concealer on me, so I love it. It's a very good, like very lightweight under the eyes, and it's very non-drying. I don't like drying concealer, and it's just 195 rupees. They come with a lot of shade. This also one thing about NY Bay, they launch like all the complexions in a quite decent gradation of shade range. They are amazing with that, but the names are very difficult. You cannot assume that okay, this white, dark, chocolate puzzle, what does this mean? So I wish they have normal names, but they have this concept like weird names. Okay, so yeah, orangey red, this iska bhi naam kuch aisi hoga. Okay, Blazer Italia, oh yeah, this is Cranky Yankee. So that's the shade name. They have weird shades. So this shade is Cranky Yankee, and this is white, dark chocolate drizzle. I don't know why they keep such names, but they are very funny names. So and they are different components. So they have a cute aesthetics, and I like the brand in general. I really like it. They have really unique makeup in my opinion. So that's pretty much it for this video. I will definitely do like, this is the ongoing series. I have done with 100 rupees. I have done with 150 rupees. This is the 200 rupees. Now we will have the 250 rupees. So this is the ongoing series of affordable makeup, which is really good, and it's good. It's good. I'm not going to recommend you something which is average or something. These are products are from regardless of the price. It's just that they are affordable. If they would have charged more, I think they would be more famous. I'm assuming that. But let's just a huge applause to NY Bay. They are launching such good quality makeup. That's for sure. I'm really impressed with them. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. You will get more such affordable makeup recommendations and tutorials, project planning, shop my stash, whatnot. Everything related to makeup, beauty, you will find it in this channel. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.